How to order at AliExpress. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To order at AliExpress, firstly open up your AliExpress application if you have installed in your device. If not, launch a preferred browser and search for AliExpress. Tap on AliExpress official or just type in www.aliexpress.com. If you have not logged in into your AliExpress account, make sure to log in into your account. To order at AliExpress, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is pick out an item that you want to purchase off the site. For an example, I've selected this one. Then, after you check out the details, tap on Buy Now and select the desired product or the sizes or the color based on the item you want to purchase. Starting off, fulfill the form including your contact information, address, and more. Next step is to confirm your order. Confirm the quantity, then select on Place Order at the bottom. Final step is to pay for your order. In order to do so, you can select your credit card or any payment method that is available for a reason. If you have selected a credit card, enter a card number, cardholder name, your CVV, and the expiration date, and tap on Pay Now. That is how you can order up at AliExpress. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.